Hi guys, welcome to part 2. So, napahuman. So, wala na human. So, wala pa na human. So, pakita na kong part. Alright. So, panahuman cover. So, ikaw may kakain na cover na ni. At yung mana guys. Next, ko ipaluyo guys, kailan ang kani. Mangita mo sa kanon. Or kanir, kani. Pwede mo color. Pero kung gamit ka. Dagan siya mga characters. So, mga gamit. Dagan siya mga design. So, kailangan ko. Kung nada yung sketch tape guys, yung sketch tapean, dapat ininipi ko, ipaluyo ninyo. Yeah.
This is the first box of chalk I ever bought from the gym 9 years ago. I kept it. I didn't know why, but now I do. I'm not asking you to marry me because I want to take care of you. I'm asking you because you're the only person in the world who doesn't need me. Still chooses to be around me.
Others.
That's not dependence. That's partnership. Toy chain.
Yes.
Others. Tapos,
We kept the chalk box
big ko
for
sa
9
siya.
years. That's either romantic.
Ito, nalimot kong suwat. Nagsuwat mo kasi nalimot kong suwat butter guys.
The day you did your first pull-up.
Dapat kaysa butangan yung butter kasi naasa.
That was the moment I
Basta
realized
ka nang kuha ninyo.
I was enough on my own.
Limot
Never made me
ko.
feel like being someone to me.
it's not. It's the hardest thing there is.
Balo na.
Today we're not talking about training
Tapos,
plans.
yan na.
Today we're telling stories. Who wants to go first? My name is Maria. 2 years ago, my ex-husband abused me. After the divorce, I weighed 190 pounds and I was afraid to leave the house.
Yan na guys,
My
pa na.
daughter said,
Yan na.
Mom, you walked.
My wife says you gave her one ride. You've been bragging about it. Years.
Not one ride, a lifetime.
I already gave you one. This second one, I want to keep.